shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of me mixing some hard liquor, some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shock when I get shocked at the hospital.